Wow, Betty.
Ah, we'll bring
Ano?
Nabi.
Nabi, come here.
Nabi! Nabi! Ingay ko?
Paano? Let's battle. How?
Paano mag-battle?
Battle it.
Ito.
Battle. Ayan.
Start. Yan.
Okay. Paano yan?
Tama.
Guys! Ha!
Yung laban tayo, guys! Hello!
Laban tayo!
Hello!
Guys!
Laban tayo, guys! Kawawa naman si
Ano nangyayari?
Let's have. Let's go. Let's go.
Loyal naman na si Groundnatics.
Chow Natix, ang bilis.
Uy, umatot yung aso.
Oh.
Online fight ba to? Ah, alam ko na yung gagawin.
Nabi, where did you first?
Hashtag cancel Jow. Let's win.
Guys,
Taho.
we can do it. We can do it. Sure, power, guys.
Score!
Nabi, cheers. Cheers.
Come on,
cheers,
bagsak para
cheers,
sa
cheers,
aso.
Cheer for me,
Big,
Nabi.
big, big. Big, big.
Be cute, be cute. Share your cuteness to
Come
them.
on.
Share your
Ito
cuteness.
na, binibenta po namin.
Share your cuteness.
Bagsak po kayo. It's very cute.
Okay, guys. Selling of Nabi. If you win, we will sell Nabi to you.
Ilaban nyo yan.
No, may mic siya. Anong laban mo?
Ano, ito?
Hindi, laban mo. Think of something. Present yourself. Oh,
Ilaban nyo yan. Ilaban nyo yan.
oh, mag-pray ka. Magpa-pray siya. Do it here and pray. Magpa-pray daw siya.
Bawal yan. Bawal mag-pray. Cancel Gio. Cancel
Malakas si
Gio.
Lord. Malakas si Lord, Jow. Sinasabi ko.
We can do it. Guys, show your power. I'm praying with the candle, guys.
Laban tayo.
Laban tayo, guys. Pwede naman. Let's go.
First time kong ma-experience itong laban na to.
I love being your first time.
I think...
What?
Battle it out.
Hey, Jow's followers, stop sending. It's going far away.
Dapat may punishment, ganun.
Ano, wag na. Oh, what is life?
You can't add when we're battling.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's... Okay. I have a life hack.
Wow, what's that?
Right.
What's happening?
Go, friend.
Harsh here.
Go, friend. Go, friend. Friend power, let's go.
I will use
Wala
my...
na ako.
Ang bilis to tanong pa
Oh
naman.
my God, ang daya!
Ano yun?
Bagsak po kayo, tara na!
Ilalaban ko ang Pokemon ko.
What else? Perform or
Ano?
something.
Perform?
Life mo to.
Jihan.
Guess na
Go
ako.
Pikachu!
Do something.
Nabi.
Twerk.
Nabi.
Twerk on the camera. Let's
Nabi
twerk.
hump. Nabi hump. Nabi, come here. Nabi, hump.
Thank you for that twerking action. Oh,
Nabi, help for that. Nabi, help.
oh. What's happening?
I think it's better when you were twerking.
Oh.
Don't
Want to
use
see
the
me twerk?
Yay! I think it's
Yay!
your page yung hindi ka malakas.
Ang bilis siya.
Kanta ka para sa kanila. Sing for them.
Ako?
Yeah.
Ano?
Ikaw ba yun?
Ang hirap.
Well, you want to win, right? You have 1 minute to...
Okay. Highlight.
Pag kumanta si Gion, guys, ipanalo niyo na yan.
Puso ay nalubay
You have to win this.
ng kahit-agay. Ngunit ngayon, nandito na ikaw.
It's live na to
Yes, live vocals.
Sanay ka pa, biyaya ka sa buhay ko. Ligayang pag-ibig ko ikaw. Help!
Wow, what a beautiful voice.
Nabi, help! Joe,
You have 18 seconds.
Guys,
You're...
I lose definitely.
So sorry. Hindi ko sila matigilan.
My main vocal era is done.
Tapos yung laban pag nilabas yung Golden Mic. Hindi siya lumabas. Like, even the wings, they weren't out yet.
Time to cry.
Oh.
See? The fire is off. My wish didn't...
So what happens if I win?
You win.
hindi ko alam.
Ikaw mag-twerk.
Oh my god! I can't twerk right now. I'm just wearing my boots.
I thought you were wearing the Ben 10.
Ay, meron din akong Ben 10 brief. Gusto niya makita?
Oh. Oh. Tingin.
So maraming salamat po ulit to the fan who gave me this.
Wow.
I'm not sure with that.
Dapat ay may parang the Hulk, ganon. Avengers.
Just one. There too.
Wow!
wow.
Same design, different.
So Jiyoung, if you win another match, I'm gonna give you the other one.
I think.
Bagay sa inyo.
Wait, I think we should not do rematch so we can invite Wani.
Okay, paano?
No, not yet. The victory lap must be finished first. I think finished. Ayan. Well, Ja, we're gonna try to invite the guy from...
Sana hindi ma-reject ka ulit.
He's always
Yeah,
doing live
yeah.
match as well.
He's doing live match right now. So, anong
Ano gusto mo mamaya?
anong balita for today?
Balita for the day. Ayun. So meron kaming ganap. Pero secret pa siya.
So, can you give a spoiler?
Kasi basta nag-tumbling ako na nag-tumbling kaya pagod na ako.
Nakita mo yung message ko?
I'm gonna check.
You can see his private parts.
Oh, okay, I'm gonna...
Interesting.
Ano yun?
Secret.
Anong kausap kayo? Ano
Only the
yun?
winners are allowed to leave.
You're a loser. You're in my life right now. We are a loser. We are the one. We are the children. We are the child of someone. You know that? Yeah, that is Josh. That is Jasmine Henry.
So ito yung chismis, guys. Joke lang.
I'm spying it.
How are you guys?
You're spy?
What have you been doing?
Kaya pala hindi ka nanalo.
Ano, spying it on your phone. I mean, spy. Pusong Pinoy ako.
Saan ka nag-aral?
Sa kanang-aral, Philippines. Dito sa Philippines.
Mali,
Ano?
Pilipinas.
Dito sa Philippines. Conch na dito.
Mali. It's Filipinas.
Pilipinas?
Yes, that's right.
Ano,
I want to ask someone. Are you a Filipina?
Hindi ko alam yan kasi sa Pharmacolum ako.
Oh, careful.
Hindi
Ako
sa
din.
Farm at San Benito.
Ako din. Lumaki ako sa secret.
Secret? Ano? Bakit secret?
Lumaki ako sa lumaki ako sa iyo, Jiyoung.
Ha? Hot dog.
Hot dog.
Hot dog.
my guys, wish,
Wish best.
Zhao the best for
1075.
his day tomorrow.
Wish Live 1075 at 7 p.m.
You're doing wish bus?
Yes, I'll be the next host.
Sige!
Oh, no.
Thank
Patingin
you.
daw ng Benten.
Ano, freebie?
Yes, this is the new Jao merch, guys. Pati Giyong merch.
Ben 10's hair to pink.
Yes, guys. My Gcash is...
Idadamay ko na sa Giyong sa sa Ben 10 merch namin. Brief lang siya. So if supporters kayo ni Giyong, kailangan niyo suotin to. 감사합니다.
감사합니다. Jijam.
Thank you so much for the battle. I enjoyed it.
See you soon. Bye,
See you!
Bye-bye.